Here we have a pump in Solid Edge. We'd like to see what alternatives there are to the central body to support a different specification. There are many variants of this pump, so it is possible that one already exists, which would be more efficient than designing from scratch. Searching by shape is a very attractive proposition when the name of the part is unknown. We can see that searching by shape has yielded a number of qualified candidates from the hundreds of thousands of parts in the enterprise. The smart thumbnails provide quick confirmation that we're looking for the right kind of part. Now we can more closely inspect each candidate in Solid Edge's Insight Connect, where we can assess its applicability.